very quick video on how to get top marks for your case study when you are creating your Part 3 submission. For those who don't know what a Part 3 is, it's the final step in qualifying as an architect in the UK. And what I'm demonstrating here is the end of a chapter, and each chapter in your case study should speak to the RIBA plan of work. This is from 2014, so it's the old plan of work which used letters. The new plan of work is numbered from 0 to 7, so each of those stages should be their own chapters. And at the end of the chapter, you should provide what is called critical analysis. And to nail the critical analysis, you need to have 3 subheadings. The first being the event, and that is a description of what took place. The second heading is best practice. Under this contract and this type of project, what would the absolute best practice have been for that work stage? And then the analysis, and this is where you demonstrate all your knowledge, is a comparison between those two. So in this instance, we're talking about the tender and the award of the contract. And I have described the event. I then explained what the best practice should have looked like. And then under the circumstances, because best practice isn't always possible, under the circumstances, what could we have done to improve the actual event? And you're basically comparing and contrasting between the event and the best practice. By analysing the two and explaining what could have been done better, you're showing maturity, you're showing competence, and you're showing knowledge. And that is what the examiners are looking for in deciding whether you're ready to qualify as an architect. Have you got that maturity, that understanding, and that overall comprehension of how to run a proper project solo, basically. So very quick video, hope that's helped. We do have some downloads at ArchAdemia which shows a little bit more about this, and very soon we have a full Part 3 course coming with Maria, who is the founder of the brilliant podcast Part 3 with me. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you want to know more about this topic specifically, leave them in the comments and let us know. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like the video, support the channel. I'll see you in the next one.